Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a PayPal account for online payments and money transfers, follow this quick guide to get set up in minutes. Step 1. Go to paypal.com and click on Sign Up in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Choose your account type: personal for shopping and sending money to friends, or business for selling goods and services. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password that includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Step 4. Provide your personal information including first and last name, address, and phone number. Ensure all details match your official documents. Step 5. Add your date of birth and social security number or tax ID for business accounts for identity verification purposes. Step 6. Link a payment method by adding a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This allows you to send money and make purchases. Step 7. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. This is required to activate full account features. Step 8. Complete account verification by confirming your linked bank account or card. PayPal may make small test deposits that you'll need to verify, or you can verify instantly through your bank login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.